IELTS Speaking Part 2 Topic. Describe a memorable sporting event you attended or watched. What was the sporting event and when did it take place? Where did the event occur and who were the participants? How did you follow or attend the event? What made the sporting event memorable for you?
One of the most memorable sporting events I attended was the 2019 Cricket World Cup final, which took place on July 14 at the iconic Lord's Cricket Ground in London. This event was not just any cricket match, it was the culmination of a month-long tournament that featured the best teams from around the globe, vying for the prestigious title. The final was contested between England and New Zealand, two formidable teams known for their resilience and skill. The atmosphere at Lord's was electric, with fans from both countries filling the stands, their anticipation palpable. As a cricket enthusiast, I had been following the tournament closely, but watching the final in person was an experience beyond compare. Securing tickets for this historic match was no easy feat, but thanks to a stroke of luck and some perseverance, I managed to get a seat in the stadium. The day of the final was a roller coaster of emotions. The match itself was a testament to the unpredictability and excitement of cricket. It swung like a pendulum, with both teams showing exceptional prowess and tenacity. By the end of the regular match, both teams were tied, leading to a super over, a rare and thrilling event in cricket. The super over added a dramatic twist to the already gripping match. The tension was tangible as England managed to eke out a victory based on a boundary count rule after the super over also ended in a tie. This conclusion sparked debates and discussions worldwide, making it one of the most talked about cricket matches in history. What made this event truly memorable for me was not just the nail-biting finish but also the camaraderie and spirit among the fans. Despite the intense competition, there was a sense of unity and mutual respect among the spectators. I vividly remember the sea of supporters, clad in their team colors, singing and cheering in unison, creating an unforgettable ambience. Moreover, witnessing the sportsmanship displayed by the players, especially in such a high-stakes match, was inspiring. Their grace in both victory and defeat was a poignant reminder of the values that sports instill: respect, integrity, and teamwork. In conclusion, the 2019 Cricket World Cup final was a landmark event not just in the realm of sports but in my personal experiences as well. The drama, the atmosphere, and the sheer thrill of being part of such a significant moment in sporting history made it an event that will remain etched in my memory forever. Hope you liked our video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to keep us motivated.